Hello students, today I have taken a question from chapter 1 set chapter, and it is the question taken from example. It is example number 31. Question is, for any sets A and B, show that power set of A intersection B is equal to power set of A intersection power set of B. For this, before explaining this, let us see one thing. Let A is a set which is subset of any set B. A is subset of B. So if we take power set of B, here if we apply power set of B in the right side, if we apply power set of B, then it becomes belongs to A. That means A belongs to power set of A is सबसेट ऑफ बी. बी में जब हमने पावर सेट लगा दिया तो पावर सेट का बी का जो पावर सेट है, बी के पावर सेट का वो एलिमेंट बन जाए. जो सबसेट है किसी सेट का, उस सेट के पावर सेट का वो एलिमेंट हो जाए. इफ एनी एलिमेंट belongs, if any set is the element of power set of any set, कोई सेट है और वो एलिमेंट है पावर सेट का. कोई भी जो सेट होता है, सेट इज रिटेन एज कैपिटल लेटर. तो कोई भी सेट है, वो सेट एलिमेंट किसका होगा? सेट को हम एलिमेंट किसका एलिमेंट कहेंगे? पावर सेट का. किसी भी पावर सेट के एलिमेंट को सेट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो x बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ ए. दैट मीन्स x इज एलिमेंट ऑफ पावर सेट ऑफ ए. पावर सेट ऑफ ए के पावर सेट का एक एलिमेंट है. लेकिन यही सेट, इसमें p हटा देंगे, पावर सेट हटा देंगे, तो a का क्या हो जाएगा? ये सबसेट हो जाएगा. इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान में रखना है कि किसी सेट में p नहीं लगा हुआ है तो वो सबसेट है, और राइट साइड में अगर p लगा दिया इस तरह से तो वो एलिमेंट बन जाएगा. अब देखो, इसको हमको प्रूफ करना है. दिस सेट इज इक्वल टू दिस इज एनी सेट, इट इज पावर सेट एंड इट इज ऑल्सो. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस टू. दैट मीन्स वी विल प्रूव दिस इज सबसेट ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इज सबसेट ऑफ दिस. then this will be equal to this two will be equal. So first of all we let any element of this set, let किसी पावर सेट के एलिमेंट को हम सपोज करेंगे सेट के फॉर्म. लेट x बिलोंग्स टू पावर सेट ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. जस्ट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू, व्हेन वी रिमूव P फ्रॉम हियर देन दिस सेट विल बी सबसेट ऑफ दिस सेट. सो x will be the subset of A intersection B, like this. And here x is subset of A intersection B. Intersection gives the idea of and gives the idea of intersection. So x is subset of A and x is subset of B. Now again x is subset of A, then x will be the element of power set of A. We have applied power here, so power set of A, its element is x. And when x is subset of B, then x will be the element of power set of B. जिसका वो सबसेट है उसके पावर सेट का वो एलिमेंट हो जाएगा. दिस implies here and, that means it gives the idea of intersection. x belongs to power set of A and x belongs to power set of B. x is the element of this set and x is also the element of this. That means x is the element of this intersection, this इसके intersection का element. That means x belongs to power set of A intersection power set of B, like this. So here we see x, all the elements of this set are the element of this set. इस सेट का जो एलिमेंट है वही एलिमेंट इस सेट का भी. इट मीन्स दिस सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ दिस. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट power set of A intersection B is subset of power set of A intersection power set of B. This becomes the equation number 1. Again we suppose from this is we suppose any element of this set. So we write here let y belongs to this set, power set of A intersection power set of B. This implies y belongs to power set of A and y belongs to power set of B, because here intersection gives the idea of and. Now y belongs to, that means y is the element of power set of A, that means y will be the subset of A, and y will be the subset of B. And here y is subset of A and y is subset of B, it means y is subset of A intersection B, because and gives the idea of intersection. When y is subset of A intersection B, y is subset of any set, then y belongs to power set of A intersection. Now the elements, the set, or you can say elements, y is the element of this set, that means इस सेट का जो एलिमेंट है वही एलिमेंट इस सेट का भी है, that means all elements of this set are present in this set. So this will be the subset of this. So we can write power set of A intersection power set of B is subset of power set of A intersection B. This is equation number 2. Once again I explain here. Y belongs to power set of A intersection power set of B. This implies y belongs to power set of A and power set y belongs to power set of B, because intersection gives the idea of and. Now y belongs to power set of A, that means y is subset of A. When we remove P, then it becomes the subset. And here also y belongs to power set of B, that means y will be subset of B. Now y is subset of A and y is subset of B, it means y is subset of A intersection B and gives the idea of intersection. Now y is subset of A intersection B, it means y belongs to power set of A intersection B. So now all elements of this set are the element of this set. It means this set is the subset of this. I have written this. So both are each other subset. So we can write from 1 and 2, this power set of intersection B is equal to this. We will write this. So here we write from 1 and 2, power set of A intersection B is equal to power set of A intersection power set of B. Proved. I think you have understood. Thank you.